Hi, good morning, children. Hope you would have completed the two lesson notes, first lesson and second lesson, which I had sent you. Now, let us move on to chapter 3. Courage makes me different. You know, courage. What's meant by courage? Yes, it's bravery. The ability to do something without fear. Without fear, bravery. Oh yeah, that's called as courage. Now, courage makes me different. That means you should be very bold enough to face any kind of situation in your life. Okay, sometimes some bad things may happen in front of you, but you should not keep quiet. If you find it is wrong, you should have the brave to go and inform about the bad. Okay, so here shall we move on to the story? And this is a story about the four children called Geeta, Sunida, Alfie and Nixon. Okay, so remember the names of these four children. List out what are they. Who are they? Geeta, Sunida, Alfie and Nixon. Yes, these four children are studying in a class, same class. Okay, so when on one particular day, when Geeta entered the classroom, you know what happened? All the remaining three children, the rest of these three children were talking something secretly. When once they saw Geeta, they all kept quiet. They don't want Geeta to hear what they are talking. Now Geeta understood something fishy. What is it? Fishy. Fishy means, something which is suspectable, which we could not believe. Something which happens in a bad way. Those things are called fishy. Okay, now she understood something went wrong. Why they kept quiet when I entered? Okay, but anyway, she did not mind it because they have TP on that particular day. So she did not mind it. She went and took her book and she studied. So what happened? Miss came and the teacher started conducting the exam. Now what happened, when saw the three remaining children, Geeta was writing the TP. Okay, when she saw the remaining three children were copying. Now you understand what they were talking at the time. They planned how to copy. Okay, now they copied. Okay, but Geeta was very fear. So she kept quiet and she was busy in writing the TP. And the exam was over. And that evening, after the class, Geeta went to those three children. Who are they? Sunida, Alfie and Nixon. She went and told them, dear friends, it was wrong. You should not copy like this. It is wrong. You go and apologize to the teacher. Apologize means asking sorry. What's meant by apologize? Asking sorry. You please go and ask sorry to the teacher. But they were not interested to ask sorry. They told, no, we won't ask sorry. You do one thing, you please don't inform the teacher, like that they requested. So that day she went back to home. So what happened next day? The teacher gave back the test paper, TP. What about the marks? All those three copied children, they passed. And Geeta was also passed. Geeta studied well and she wrote the exam well. She too passed. And what the teacher told, those who got low marks, that is those who failed, I will conduct one more TP next week, she told. Now Geeta thought, still now I should not kept quiet. I have to inform the teacher because they had copied. No, it is not good now. Is it good? Will you copy? No, it's a very bad habit. If you do not study for a TP, you should go and inform the teacher. Miss, I did not study today. Miss, this is the reason I will study, miss. Like that, you should go and request the teacher. And you should get time. You want to study and then you want to write. You should not copy. It is a very, very cheap and bad habit, copying. Okay, you should not do that. So, okay, come back to the story. So, what happened? Geeta, she plucked up the courage. She got the courage and she went and informed the teacher what she had seen. She told, ma'am, those three children were copying. You know what happened? She was surprised to see knowing smile. The teacher smiled and she told, I know, Geeta, I know that they were copying. And I was quite, why? Let me see whether they are confessing. What is it? Confess. It is not confess. It is wrong, the spelling. It is confess. You can make a change in the spelling there. It is confess. Confess means accepting our mistake. That is also a good quality. Unknowingly, if we do any mistake, we should have the ability, you should have the courage to confess our mistake. We should accept our mistake. Okay. And so the teacher was waiting whether they are confessing their mistake now. But next day they did not say anything. Next day what the teacher decided? No, she asked questions. What was the TP questions? No, she asked again in the class. But those children, they were not able to answer. Why they were not able to answer? Yes, actually they had copied. How could they answer? They did not copy. They tried to say some lie and like that, anything they tried to manage. But it was not possible. At last, they started crying and they were ashamed of themselves and they accepted the truth. They told Miss, we are sorry, actually we copied. Now you know what the teacher would have done? Teacher would have given a nice slap. No. No teacher will beat you or scold you if you accept the mistake. Okay, if you accept the mistake, all the teachers are ready to leave you. Okay, so they will console you. See, the teacher affectionately consoled them. Consoled means, it's okay dear, you should not repeat like that. Yeah, the teacher consoled them and told the class to learn from them. What to learn? They had admitted their mistake. I told no. Sometimes unknowingly we may make some mistake, but we should have the courage to accept it. Okay, they admit their mistakes and they promise that they won't repeat it again. Okay, so the teacher congratulated them. The trio means the three members are called as trio. So the trio never again lied or they did not do anything dishonest. After that they were very honest children. Okay, you also should be honest. First of all, you should not copy, or if you do any mistake, you should accept it to your teacher. Okay, now it takes courage to say the truth when you have done wrong or stand up for a just cause. See, if you find anything happening bad, you should have the courage to go and say the truth. Okay, you don't bother about what others will think or like that and all. You don't bother about all those things. Okay, you always stand up for the truth and justice. Justice means which is for a good cause, which is correct. Okay, so you always should stand up for the truth and justice. Like Geeta, what we should have? We too should have the courage to uphold truth without fear. We should also be courage enough, okay, to always follow the truth in our life. Okay, children, now time to think. What are the occasions or situations when you need courage to speak the truth? Now, Geeta faced one situation in her life, that is, her classmates copied and she had the courage to inform that to the teacher. Now, you think and find out the situations when you need the courage to speak the truth. Okay, children, understand the story? Yes. Now read the story line by line once again. Okay? Okay, children, bye.